Welcome to Ubiquiti Insider, where we share insights into the latest Ubiquiti R&D advancements. We announced a brand new UniFi console category, the Dream Wall, now in early access. A space-saving alternative to the traditional IT rack mount standard, the Dream Wall eliminates the need for a dedicated data closet. We have also launched UniFi 6 in-wall access point, which transforms an Ethernet wall outlet into a 4-port gigabit switch with a PoE port that can power an additional connected UniFi device, specifically designed for hospitality deployments. We also released the G4 Doorbell Pro, a smart doorbell featuring a 5-megapixel main camera with a secondary downward-facing camera, specifically designed to view your packages, providing snapshots whenever motion is detected. The 1.3-inch color screen allows you to create custom messages that will be displayed whenever a visitor is detected. Take advantage of super fast response times from notifications to two-way talk with the G4 Doorbell's built-in microphone and speaker. Installing your doorbell is effortless. Power it with your existing doorbell wiring or with the optional PoE adapter for a true wired connection. We have updated several UniFi Talk user interface features, including hold music messaging, custom voicemail greetings, smart attendant extension dialing, and for simple phone upgrades, we released the UniFi Talk analog telephone adapter. And finally, we are excited to announce Wave Technology, now in early access, our most impressive engineering achievement to date. Wave is capable of distributing multi-gigabit fiber-like internet to communities with unparalleled economic efficiency and deployment flexibility. Learn more at ui.com and join us next time for another Ubiquiti Insider. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Ubiquiti Insider updates.